Compulsive thinking is more than simply thinking deeply. It happens when your mind repeatedly returns to the same question, mistake, fear, or possibility, even when thinking about it no longer helps. You may replay conversations, analyze tiny details, predict every outcome, or feel an intense need to reach the right conclusion. The more you try to mentally solve everything, the harder it can become to switch your attention elsewhere. Number 1. You believe more thinking will create certainty. When uncertainty feels uncomfortable, your mind may keep analyzing because it assumes one more thought will finally provide a definite answer. You review the evidence, imagine different outcomes, and revisit the same question repeatedly. But some situations simply cannot provide complete certainty. Recognizing this can help you stop confusing more analysis with more control. Number 2. You feel responsible for preventing mistakes. Compulsive thinking can develop when you believe you must anticipate every possible problem before acting. Your mind keeps searching for what you might have missed because making a mistake feels unacceptable. This creates mental exhaustion while giving you the illusion that constant analysis is protecting you. Learning that reasonable preparation is enough can reduce this pressure. Number 3. You replay the past to find what you should have done differently. After an embarrassing conversation, disagreement, or mistake, you may repeatedly reconstruct what happened. You imagine different words you could have used and wonder how things might have changed. Reflection can be useful, but endless replay rarely changes the past. Once the lesson has been identified, continuing to analyze can become another form of mental repetition. Number 4. You try to predict other people's reactions. You may spend excessive time analyzing someone's tone, expression, message, or behavior because you want to know exactly what they think about you. The problem is that another person's internal thoughts cannot be known with certainty. Repeated interpretation can turn small details into major sources of anxiety. Separating observable facts from assumptions can help break the cycle. Number 5. Thinking helps you avoid feeling. Sometimes compulsive analysis looks productive because it keeps your attention occupied. Instead of experiencing sadness, disappointment, insecurity, or fear, you keep solving imaginary problems in your head. The mind stays busy while the underlying emotion remains untouched. Asking what you are actually feeling can sometimes be more useful than finding another explanation. Number 6. You have learned to distrust your first decision. If you frequently question your choices after making them, your mind may learn that every decision requires another review. You choose, reconsider, compare, check, and then question the choice again. This can make even simple decisions mentally exhausting. Allowing yourself to make reasonable choices without repeatedly reopening them strengthens confidence in your own judgment. Number 7. The thinking cycle has become automatic. Compulsive thinking can eventually become a habit. A trigger appears, your mind starts analyzing, discomfort rises, and you continue thinking because stopping feels difficult. The cycle may happen before you consciously notice it. Breaking it starts with recognizing the pattern and deliberately shifting your attention instead of treating every recurring thought as a problem that must be solved. Compulsive thinking can be driven by the need for certainty, fear of mistakes, regret, concern about other people's reactions, emotional avoidance, decision distrust, or a deeply practiced mental habit. The goal isn't to stop thinking. It's to recognize when thinking is helping you and when it has become a loop that keeps you stuck. When you learn to leave some questions unanswered, you create more space for clarity, action, and peace.